Welcome back everyone. Today we are taking a detailed look at a motorcycle that focuses on simplicity, reliability, and everyday usability, the 2026 Honda CB100. This bike is designed for riders who want a dependable commuter with Honda's legendary engineering, low running costs, and comfortable riding manners. Ideal for daily city use, new riders, and those who value efficiency over complexity, the CB100 continues Honda's tradition of practical motorcycles built to last. Let's break down everything this bike has to offer. Body panel. The body panels of the 2026 Honda CB100 are clean, minimal, and purpose-driven. Honda has kept the design straightforward, making the bike look neat and timeless rather than overly aggressive. The panels are lightweight yet sturdy, helping keep overall weight low for easy handling. The fit and finish reflect Honda's attention to quality, ensuring durability even with daily use. Fuel tank design. The compact fuel tank is shaped for comfort and control. Its slim profile allows riders to grip the bike easily with their knees, improving balance in traffic. Despite its compact size, the tank is optimized for efficiency, offering a practical riding range ideal for city commuting and short highway runs. Front fender. The front fender is designed to provide effective protection from road splash and debris. Its simple design complements the overall look of the bike while ensuring cleanliness and safety during rainy or dusty conditions. Headlight. The headlight features a modern yet simple design, offering clear illumination for night riding. It is positioned to provide a wide beam spread, improving visibility on dark roads while maintaining low power consumption. Taillight. The rear taillight is compact and clearly visible, ensuring that following traffic can easily spot the bike during braking and nighttime riding. Its quick response improves safety, especially in stop-and-go traffic. Exhaust styling. The exhaust system is neatly integrated along the side of the bike. It is tuned for quiet operation, making the CB100 suitable for urban environments, while still delivering a refined engine sound that reflects Honda's smooth engineering. Seat design. The seat is wide and well padded, designed to keep the rider comfortable during daily commutes. Its height is accessible for most riders, making it easy to place both feet firmly on the ground at stops. Riding position. The upright riding posture reduces strain on the back, wrists, and shoulders. Combined with a wide handlebar, this setup provides excellent control and comfort, especially in congested city traffic. Instrument console. The instrument cluster is simple and easy to read. It displays essential information such as speed, fuel level, and indicator lights clearly, allowing riders to focus on the road without distraction. Switchgear. The handlebar controls are intuitive and durable. They are designed for ease of use, even with gloves on, ensuring smooth operation of lights, indicators, and horn. Engine configuration. The 2026 Honda CB100 is powered by a reliable single-cylinder engine built for efficiency and longevity. This engine is engineered to deliver smooth and predictable performance, making it ideal for beginners and everyday riders. Power delivery. Power delivery is linear and manageable, ensuring easy acceleration without sudden surges. This makes the bike comfortable to ride in traffic and forgiving for new riders learning throttle control. Transmission. The gearbox is tuned for smooth shifting and ease of use. Gear ratios are optimized for city speeds, allowing the rider to move effortlessly through traffic while maintaining fuel efficiency. Clutch system. The light clutch action reduces hand fatigue, especially during frequent stops. It offers smooth engagement, making the bike easy to ride in crowded urban environments. Cooling system. An efficient air-cooled system keeps the engine temperature under control. This setup is simple, reliable, and cost-effective, reducing maintenance complexity. Frame and chassis. The lightweight frame is designed to provide stability and easy maneuverability. It allows the bike to feel agile in tight spaces while remaining stable at moderate speeds. Suspension setup. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and uneven road surfaces effectively. This ensures a smooth ride on city roads that are often less than perfect. Braking system. The braking system provides controlled and predictable stopping power. It is designed to suit everyday riding conditions, offering confidence during sudden stops. CBS or ABS support. Depending on the market, the CB100 may feature a combined braking system that distributes braking force effectively. This enhances safety by improving stability during braking. Lighting system. The lighting setup is designed for efficiency and reliability. It ensures consistent illumination while consuming minimal power, supporting long-term durability. Electrical system. Honda's reliable electrical system supports all essential components smoothly. It is built to withstand daily use and varying weather conditions without issues. Charging support. Select variants may include a charging option for small devices, adding convenience for riders who rely on smartphones for navigation. Under-seat utility. The under-seat area provides limited but useful space for documents or small essentials. It adds practicality without compromising the bike's compact design. Accessory compatibility. The CB100 supports basic accessories such as luggage carriers or side bags. This makes it more versatile for riders who need extra utility for daily errands. Pricing. The 2026 Honda CB100 is expected to be priced very competitively, targeting budget-conscious buyers. Its affordability, combined with Honda's reputation for reliability and low maintenance, makes it an attractive choice in the entry-level motorcycle segment. Release date. The 2026 Honda CB100 is expected to be introduced in late 2025, with dealership availability starting in early 2026, depending on regional markets. 2026 Ducati Panigale V4R availability. For high-performance enthusiasts, the 2026 Ducati Panigale V4R is expected to be available in dealerships between March and June 2026, subject to regional availability. Ending note. The 2026 Honda CB100 proves that simple motorcycles still have a strong place in today's market. With its practical design, smooth performance, and trusted Honda engineering, it is a perfect companion for daily commuting and new riders alike. If you're looking for a bike that delivers reliability, comfort, and efficiency without unnecessary complexity, the CB100 deserves serious consideration. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next motorcycle review.